Greetings, Agent. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to identify these mystery sea animals and uncover their secret abilities. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Just kidding. But the mission is real, and the clock is ticking. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go! Here is your first case file. This creature is a master of disguise. Codenamed the Shapeshifter. It has no bones, allowing it to squeeze through the tiniest cracks. Its secret power. It can change its color and texture in the blink of an eye to perfectly match its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to predators and prey. It also has 3 hearts and blue blood. Who is this 8-armed operative? Let's reveal the target. It's the octopus. Excellent work, Agent. 1 target identified. On to the next case file. This animal is known as the Immortal. No, it's not a myth. This tiny jelly-like creature has an extraordinary ability. When faced with danger or old age, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp, essentially starting its life cycle all over again. It's the only known animal that can live forever. Biologically speaking, a true master of regeneration. Do you know its identity? Let's see. It's the Tortopsis dorni, the immortal jellyfish. Another success. You're a natural at this. Final case file. This deep-sea agent operates in the darkest corners of the ocean. It has a built-in flashlight, a bioluminescent lure that dangles in front of its massive mouth to attract unsuspecting prey. Its appearance is the stuff of nightmares, but this adaptation is pure genius for survival in the pitch-black abyss. Codenamed the Angler, it's a patient and deadly hunter. Have you cracked the code? Let's reveal the final subject. It's the anglerfish. Amazing. Mission accomplished. Agent, you've successfully identified all our mystery sea creatures and uncovered their incredible secret powers. Your observation skills are top-notch. If you're ready for more top-secret missions into the animal kingdom, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This is Agent Jessie, over and out.